So we have this problem, 49 times 82 equals what? I'm going to show you a better way to solve this problem. First, you multiply the 4 and the 8 and get 32. Next, you want to find the sum of the products of 4 and 2 and 9 and 8. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 9 times 8 is 72. Now you multiply 9 by 2, and you get 18. This is going to be reduced to 32, line 80, line 18. We reduce 18 to 8 by subtracting 10, and we add 1 to 80 because we subtracted by 10 one time. This is changed to 32, line 81, line 8. Next, we reduce 81 to 1 by subtracting 10 8 times, and we add 8 to 32. This is changed to 40, line 1, line 8, which gives us 4,018, and that's the answer.